Hello everyone, myself Vandana Kumari. I am from Gadhwa, Jharkhand. I have completed my diploma in electronics and communication engineering from Government Women's Polytechnic, Jamshedpur in 2021. My strength is team management skill, dedication, hard working, and positive attitude. I always wanted to work in IT field, but I didn't know how to start and where to start. One day, my friend told me about Evision Technoserve. That Evision Technoserve is an IT requirement and consultancy company. So I planned to join the Evision. In Evision, I had joined online whole day job internship under the guidance of IT managers and administration on 17th January of 2022. I have learned many things during the job internship like network fundamental, CCNA, virtualization, Windows administration, cyber security, ITIL, and interview session. I even had lot of practical session in which trainers guide us to do the practicals, like they cleared all our doubts. If we talk about how much I have learned in Evision, it's gonna be a long list, but I will tell in short. First, I had the session of network fundamental. In network fundamental session, I learned network topology, IP addresses, basic things like DNS, remote desktop, and all the things that comes under networking. After that, I had the session of virtualization. In virtualization, I learned about virtual machine, how to create virtual machine, how to run the virtual machine, and we learned about many things like VMware Workstation, Oracle VirtualBox, and Windows Hyper-V. After the completion of virtualization, we had next session Windows administration. It was fully based on practicals. So we had a lot of practicals in this session. In Windows administration, I learned how to create users, how to active administration, DSCP server, domain controller, domain, Active Directory, everything. We have also done practicals on that. Our trainers teach us and guided us to do the practicals, and he cleared all our doubts. We even learned Outlook troubleshooting, Windows troubleshooting, everything in Windows administration session. After that, we had cyber security classes. In cyber security classes, I learned about hacking, how do TCP communication works, and password cracking, how to crack the password, spyware, malware, what is these things, what are used for. Even we had some practicals how to do that. We even learned everything on Kali Linux by doing practicals. I even had CCNA classes. In CCNA, I learned about routing, how to configure any router, how to configure IP addresses in routing, how to send packet in routers to one LAN to LAN, another LAN. I learned about it, and we even had practicals on that. After that, we had interview session. That was the most interesting thing because we learned to answer the questions like how will the question will be in interview and how we can crack the interview. We learned everything in this interview session, so it was quite interesting. After that, we got to know about ITIL. In ITIL, we got to know the IT infrastructure, like how it works, everything, response time, SLA, what are these things, and how we gonna work in company if we get placed. So if I will describe how much I have learned, I'm gonna describe every topic I have learned, then it's going to be a very long list. So I will stop here. my classes has been ended, our job internship have ended, and now I'm preparing myself for interview. Thank you.